We discuss a problem on maxima minima. It is an example given in the joint entrance examination main held on 20th July 2021 in the morning session. The problem is on maxima and minima. I will now state the problem and discuss its solution. The problem is, let A is equal to the matrix Aij be a 3 by 3 matrix where Aij is equal to 1 if I is equal to j, that is the diagonal entries are 1, is equal to minus x if mod of I minus j is equal to 1. That means the modulus of the difference of the indices, that is suffixes, is equal to 1. 2x plus 1 otherwise. That means the entries of this 3 by 3 matrix are real valued functions of x. Let a function f from real number system to the real number system be defined as f of x is equal to determinant of this matrix. The question is, then the sum of maximum and minimum values of f on R is equal to. The options are given 1, 2, 3, 4. Solution. We will now set up the matrix capital A is equal to the bracket Aij. I takes the values 1, 2, 3. J takes the values 1, 2, 3. This is our 3 by 3 matrix with entries A11, A12, A13 first row, A21, A22, A23 second row, A31, A32, A33 third row. Now we will fill up the diagonal entries first with the given definition. Aij is equal to 1 if I is equal to j. That means the diagonal entries are 1. So fill up the diagonal entries. 1, A22 position 1, A33 position 1. The next one, Aij is equal to minus x if mod of I minus j is equal to 1. That is the modulus of the difference of the indices is equal to 1. Then Aij will take the value minus x. So in this A21, A12, the difference of the indices is 1. A32, A23, the difference of indices modulus of that is also 1. Therefore, these are to be replaced by minus x. So replace A12 minus x, A21 minus x, A23 minus x, A32 minus x. And the remaining elements is given to be 2x plus 1 otherwise. So Aij is equal to 2x plus 1 otherwise. That means A13 and A31 will take 2x plus 1. So A13 2x plus 1, A31 2x plus 1. Thus we have obtained a 3 by 3 matrix whose entries are real valued functions of x. We continue in the next slide. We bring the matrix from the last slide here. A is equal to Aij. This matrix, the entries are real valued functions of x. We have a function f from set of real numbers to set of real numbers defined by f of x is equal to determinant of A. Now f of x is equal to determinant of this matrix, that is determinant of the first row 1 minus x 2x plus 1, second row minus x 1 minus x 2x plus 1 minus x plus 1. We'll now expand this determinant by the first row. The first row is 1 times its minor multiplied by its minor, that is 1 into 1 minus x square minus x, its minor is minus times minus x plus x times 2x plus 1, and this element 2x plus 1 into its minor is minus x into minus x square minus 2x plus 1. Now multiply. If you multiply this, the coefficient of 1, this is 1 minus x square is in red, and if you simplify this you will get this as 2x cube, and if you simplify this, multiply this and simplify, we'll get 2x cube minus x square minus 4x minus 1, and simplifying we get the f of x to be is a function of x 4x cube minus 4x square minus 4x. So f of x is 4x cube minus 4x square minus 4x. Now what is the procedure of finding maxima minima of functions? First, we compute f prime x and equate it to 0. We get stationary points or critical points. Then we take the second derivative of fx, and at these critical points, if this f double prime, that is f double prime at the critical point greater than 0, then f will have a minimum at that point, and less than 0, then you will have a maximum at that point. So that is the maxima minima information. So compute now. F prime x is equal to derivative of 4x cube is 12x square minus 8x minus 4. 4 is taken common, 4 times of 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Now we will factorize 4 into 3x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is the factorization of f prime x. Now equate for maxima minima, put f prime x is equal to 0. F prime x is equal to 0 will imply x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. These are stationary points or critical points. We continue the discussion in the next slide. We bring forward f of x, f prime x, f double prime x is equal to 0 will imply x is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 3. The stationary points are here. So now compute f double prime x. F prime x is 4 into 3x square minus 2x minus 1, and its second derivative will be 4 into 6x minus 2. 6x minus 2. So now f double prime at one of the critical points 1 will be 4 into 6 minus 2, that is 4 into 4 16, which is greater than 0. Therefore f is minimum at x is equal to 1, and its minimum value is denoted by f min. F min is the value of f at 1, that will be equal to 4 times 1 cube minus 4 times 1 square minus 4 times 1 is 4 minus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. That is the minimum value of f, that is denoted by f min. Now f double prime at the other critical points minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 16, which is less than 0. Therefore f is maximum at x is equal to minus 1 by 3. F max will be its maximum value. F max will be the value of f at minus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube, that is minus 4 by 27, minus 4 into minus 1 by 3 x square is minus 4 by 9, minus 4 into minus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Add this, simplify, 20 by 27. Now what is that we want? The sum of maximum and minimum values of f on R, that will be equal to f min plus f max. F min is minus 4 and f max is 20 by 27. Minus 4 plus 20 by 27. Simplify, you will get minus 88 by 27. So this is your answer. Let's look at the options. In these options, minus 88 by 27 is the option 3. Therefore, our answer is option 3. I hope that you have understood the problem and its solutions, and I encourage the students to do more problems on maxima minima of this type. We will meet once again on some other occasion with some other problem. Thank you.